When you join SoManyHits.com, you will be placed under the person who referred you, your sponsor. When you refer people to us using a unique affiliate link assigned to you, the first 2 people you refer will be placed under your sponsor. We call those first 2 referrals your qualifying referrals. Once you qualify, your 3rd referral will start your first downline, or as we like to call them, traffic lines. Just like you had to make 2 qualifier referrals that were placed under your sponsor, so will everybody that ends up in any of your traffic lines. So if we go back to the 3rd referral you made, which started your first traffic line, it means their first 2 referrals will be placed under you in that first traffic line you started, which means you now have 3 people in your first traffic line. Those 2 people who were placed under you will also need to make 2 qualifier referrals before starting their own traffic lines, which now brings your first traffic line up to 7 people. And when those 4 new members in your traffic line complete their first 2 referrals, they too will be placed under you, bringing your first traffic line up to 15 people. This 2-up referral system continues forever, even if someone drops out somewhere along the line, which means your traffic line will continue to double as everyone makes their qualifying referrals. And this is just one traffic line. Every time you directly refer someone, it will start a new traffic line. And because our join rate is sky high, not to mention free, it means SoManyHits.com will be one of the easiest referral programs you will ever join.